Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning Mami India and everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. That my name is N0VITA Rachmasari. I'm from class F. In this video, I'm gonna present my lesson plan. Grade of 3. The theme is math and calculation, subtheme subtraction. I made this video for last exam, intermediate English for elementary school teacher. Okay, first I'm going to explain about purpose. That is, students will be able to solve 3-digit subtraction problems using various visual and written strategies. And 2, students will be able to use 2 different strategies to subtract 3-digit numbers. Second, I'm going to explain about learning activities. There are activities introduction, main activities, and closing activities. In activities introduction, steps are 1. Teacher give greetings. 2. Class followed by prayers, led by one of students. 3. Checking the presence of learners. 4. Singing a song Garuda Pancasila. 5. Tell students that today they will begin learning about 3-digit subtraction. And 6. Tell students that they will learn 2 strategies for solving subtraction problems. In main activities, the steps are 1. Teacher explain about meaning of strategies, subtraction, explanation, and regrouping. 2. The teacher read the following problem on the board. 3. Solve the problem with expand form, subtraction, regrouping with ice cream stick. That is teaching media. 4. Teacher explains that students can solve the problems with standard algorithm after they understand expanded form subtraction regrouping. 5. Teacher explains that they will learn 2 strategies for solving subtraction problems to help them check their answer. 6. Teacher tells that they can use standard algorithm to solve 3-digit subtraction. 7. Continue through the 3-digit subtraction worksheet. Explain that expanded subtraction is strategy to subtract largest number by decomposing the numbers into their values. 8. Teacher asks the students problems and invites students to discuss the question in small teacher-led groups. 9. Teacher tells students that they will be using ice cream sticks to figure out that question today. 10. Have each group explain the answer in front of the class after they finish discuss in their group. 11. The teacher asks the students to take the test. And last, after that, invite students to play snacks and leaders board in group.
Okay, we will need the snacks and leaders board games board, a dice, and a counter for player. Next, players take it in turns to roll the dice, and the players with the highest number goes first. That person with the second highest goes second, and go on. The players move the counter the number of space shown of the dice and completion the calculation on the square they land on of the paper. If a player lands on a snake's head, the player's counter slides down to the square at the snake's tail. And if a player lands on the bottom of a ladder, the player's counter climbs up to the square at the top of the ladder. And the first player to reach the finish is the winner.
In closing activities, the steps are 1. Giving the award to the winner in games. 2. Tell students that today they learn about 2 strategies for solving 3-digit subtraction regroup. 3. Teachers give homework individually. 5. Delivering next lesson plan. And last, class ended with a pray together. And third, it's about assessment. There are attitude assessment, knowledge assessment, and skills assessment. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. How are you today? Great. Before we start our study, let's pray together. Rayhan, please lead the prayer for class. Thank you. Okay, now I want to check the attendance of this class. Alam, Almira, Bayu, Desi, Fatur, Maya, Muhammad, Namira, Rayhan. Okay, good job. All of my students are present. Next, let's sing a song Garuda Pancasila together. Now we gonna learn about three-digit subtraction. We have two strategies for solving subtraction problem. Now I'm gonna explain about strategy, subtraction, explanation, and regrouping. What do you think about it? Okay, strategy is a method or trick to help learn the math facts. Subtraction is an arithmetic operation that represents the operation of removing object from a collection. Explanation is a combination of both standard and word form, and regrouping in math is a term used to describe the process of changing groups of ones into tens to make subtraction easier. Okay, attention class, I will give you an example.
365 minus 178. 300, 6 tens, and 5 ones. Can you subtract 8 from 5? No. We have to regroup 1 tens as 10 ones. No, we have 15 ones and 5 tens. Now we subtract the ones. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Do you have enough tens to subtract 7 from 5? No. So we regroup 100 as 10 tens. Now we have 15 tens and 200. Subtract the tens. 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Finally, subtract the hundreds. 2 minus 1 is 1. And the answer is 187.
Okay, I have a question. Who want to come here to answer the question? Okay, Fatur, come here. Oh, good job, Fatur. Give applause to Fatur, class. Any question about this material? Good job. If you understand, you can solve the problem with standard algorithm. And remember that explanation, subtraction is a strategy to subtract larger numbers by decomposing the numbers into their values. And now I will give you a worksheet. Make group with each group consisting of 4 students for finish the worksheet. Okay? Good luck, guys. Are you finished? Good job. Let's correct together. Which problem do you think would be easier to solve 3-digit subtraction problems? Okay, Namira, come here with your group. Discuss your answer about question number 1. Wow, excellent Amira and friends. Thank you. Now I have a test. Before you answer the question, please fill your name in your sheet. I will give you 45 minutes. After you're finished, please put your paper on my table. Next, I have a games for all of you. We will play this together. Before we play, these games have some rules. Please listen carefully.
First, you take it in turns to roll the dice. If you have a highest number goes first. That person with the second highest goes second, and go on. Next, move the counter the number of space shown of the dice, and completion the calculation on the square they land on of the paper. If you land on a snake's head, you counter slides down to the square at the snake's tail. If lands on the bottom of a ladder, counter climbs up to the square at top of the ladder. And the first player to reach the finish is the winner.
Okay, let's play the games. Okay, Maya first. 1, 2, 3. 602 minus 357. Okay, excellent. Okay, next, Bayu. 1, 2. 704 minus 185. 619. Okay, next Maya again. 1. 932 minus 176. 756. Okay, finish. Good job, Maya and Bayu. Okay, class. Now I want to give stars for the winners, and the winners is Bayu and Maya. Congratulations, Bayu and Maya. So today we have a conclusion from our study, and the conclusion is we learn about excellent. We learn about 2 strategies for solving 3-digit subtraction regroup. Now I can give you a homework. Please open your book on page 125. Okay? Tomorrow we can learn about addition. Nah, before we go home, let's pray together. And Rehan, please lead the prayer for class. Thank you, Rehan. So that's all teaching simulation video from me. Pardon if there are any shortcomings. Thank you.